Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be working on my dad's 2012 NV3500. It's a Nissan 5.6 liter. We're going to be doing some exhaust upgrades since he's got a exhaust leak, so may as well do some improvements while it's on the hoist. Alright, so this is what we're starting with. Factory exhaust. See, it's broken there. So I can't really get a good before and after sound clip for you guys. But I'll be replacing this giant muffler with a Magnaflow. And then the tailpipe, we're probably going to just send that out and get a 3-inch mandrel made up. And we can just kind of bolt it on after. So let's get started. So this is what we're dealing with for restriction. See, it goes in there, hits a wall. Same with that one. Just big empty chamber at the end. And the new Magnaflow. Goes right through the air side. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. Had a couple of issues with the bender, but other than that, we got it to where we need it. It's been a while since I've used the bender. I can't remember the last time, probably about 3 or 4 months ago. And I don't really do full exhaust that often, so. There. Little bend to go around the hanger. Muffler. And then we end up just using the old tailpipe just to save a bit of money for now. Spend the money on Oldsmobile parts and stuff. And then once this pipe actually finally expires, then we'll change the tailpipe out to probably a 3-inch. So let's fire it up.